Hi, Dr. Stern here. Today I'm going to share with you 5 surprising foods to boost your immune system. Now, nobody wants to get sick. We want to go exercise, we want to go to work, we want to do the things that we love. And when you're sick, when you're run down, it totally decreases your ability to do those things. So here are 5 surprising foods to boost your immune system and keep you strong and healthy. Number 1, cinnamon. Now, I always recommend olive leaf and oregano and garlic is wonderful immune boosting spices and herbs. But cinnamon is surprising that it acts in the exact same way. It boosts your white blood cell activity, it helps kill the bad germs that get into your body, and not only is it great for blood sugar, it's a great additive to put in your food, to flavor up your food. It is wonderful for boosting your immune system. Number 2, mushrooms. Now, in my resilient immune boosting formula, I put organic mushrooms in there because they contain beta-glucans. Now, beta-glucans are bioactive components of mushrooms that stimulate macrophages and stimulate natural killer cells. Those are the cells in our body that kill those bad germs, keep our immune system strong, and keep you feeling healthy and strong. Number 3, kimchi. Now, kimchi is a fermented food that's used in Korea. It's usually fermented radishes or cabbage, and it has a lot of natural probiotics. Our gut health is so important for a healthy immune system. And so therefore, if we can put in some good bacteria, it will really bolster our immune system function and again, keep you nice and healthy. Number 4, bell peppers. Move over oranges. Bell peppers have 3 times the amount of vitamin C as oranges. It's wonderful for our immune system. It has also a lot of more vitamins and minerals. And also bell peppers do not have all the sugar that oranges contain. So bell peppers are a wonderful additive to put into your diet to bolster that immune system. And number 5 surprising food, pumpkin seeds. Now, pumpkin seeds have a lot of vitamin E and zinc. Zinc is critical for immune system function. Vitamin E increases something called immunoglobulins, which help attack those bad bacteria and keep your immune system strong. And it also has a lot of natural anti-inflammatory essential fats. So pumpkin seeds are a wonderful, surprising food to boost that immune system. Now, what I recommend with all seeds, including pumpkin seeds, make sure that you soak them for about 6 hours with a little salt in the water and then bake them around 175 to 200. You don't want it too high, and bake them for maybe even 6 hours, sometimes even longer, to dry them out. That's going to decrease something called phytic acid, which allows you to absorb all those amazing minerals and vitamins so that the pumpkin seeds give you what you want, which is the big immune system benefit, okay? So those are 5 surprising foods that we don't talk about a lot that are going to help you boost your immune system. I'll be seeing you soon. Have an amazing day.